Hey everyone, I am Samantha Franks. I am so excited for your party. Facebook parties are quick, easy, and fun without much work for you. I have been a consultant for 7 years and I absolutely love hosting parties, especially on Facebook, because they're flexible and your friends can join from anywhere. So don't let distance stop you. You can even invite friends with health concerns like allergies or asthma, compromised immune systems, because detoxing their homes can help them. Personal invitations are key to your party success, so before inviting anyone, send them a message via text or Facebook Messenger to let them know the invite is coming. It makes a big difference, and we don't want people to feel like they're getting spammed. So we'll invite in 3 ways. We'll send a personal invitation. This is the most important. You're going to ask people to personally join, and once they say yes, we add them to the group. This will account for 95% of your success. Then you'll have a Facebook post. I'll create a post that gets comments. You'll post that post on your personal page, and you'll invite everyone who comments or likes it. And the invite button. We save this just before the party date, as it only contributes to about 1% of your success. However, it's a great option for getting some last minute people into your party. So here's how to make your event a success. Personal invitations. Aim for at least 10 people to attend the main demo, since about 25% of the invited guests will actually attend live. So try to get 40 plus people in the group. Don't worry, they can watch the replay if they miss the live event. Reminders. Send a reminder the day before and after dinner the night of the party. Let guests know about the prizes and encourage them to interact in the group. Party time. I'll go live at a specific time, which we'll set in advance. Make sure your guests know there will be posts before and after the demo for them to check out. And don't forget to participate yourself. Just like at an in-home party, you wouldn't hide when guests are over. So jump right in, tag friends, share your excitement, and maybe even go live to show off your favorite products. When your friends see how much you love Norwex, they'll get excited too. Our big goal is to book the next party. If at least one of your friends book, you'll unlock all your host rewards, and if you get that booking before your party starts, I'll send you a free gift. Encourage your friends to invite theirs, and don't worry if someone can't make it, they can always watch the replay. After the party, follow up with your guests. Ask something simple like, hey, did you check out the party? Let me know if you have questions. This shows you're both working to make your party a huge success. I've also got a secret fun code for you, and that word is freebies. So I want you to text me the word freebies, and if your party reaches 1,000 in sales with at least one booking, I'll send you 2 bags of our Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. If you get 3 bookings, I'll give you an item worth up to $50 from your wish list for free. So you got to make sure you create your wish list in your Norwex account so that I can know what's on there. Your support means the world to me and my family, and I'm so grateful for you. So reach out anytime if you have questions or need help, and let's make this party totally awesome. Oh, and I wanted to make sure you know this too. I said if you get 3 bookings, you get 1 item worth up to $50 off your wish list. If you get 6 bookings, you get 2 items worth $100 total off your wish list. So I keep rewarding you for getting those friends of yours to also host events and share this important information with people you know. So before I add you to the group, just let me know the password. The password is freebies, so I know you've watched this video and we'll be good to go. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to party with you.